Stop worrying about what your kids might stumble upon. Here's how to set up parental controls on YouTube TV in under 2 minutes. Step 1. Profiles. Each child needs their own profile. This keeps your DVR and recommendations separate and safe. Go to Settings, then Family Sharing. Invite your child's Google account to your household group to get started. Now switch to their profile on the device they use. Navigate to Settings by clicking the profile icon in the top right. Select the Filter tab. This is where you control exactly what ratings are allowed on this specific device. Toggle the filter on. We recommend allow TVY, TVG, G, and PG only for younger children. This hides mature content immediately. Step 2. Prevent profile jumping. You need to lock your adult profile with a secret PIN. Under your account settings, select Turn on Account Lock. Create a 4-digit PIN that your kids won't guess. Now, every time someone tries to switch to your profile, YouTube TV will ask for that code. Setup complete. That is it. Your YouTube TV is now a safe space for the whole family. Subscribe to Sleek Guides for more high-value tech tutorials.